Hi, this is Professor Brinton with episode 7 of the Note Card Review. Our topic is karyotypes, which is connected to the issues of chromosomes, chromosome pairs, and then the two types of chromosomes, somatic and sex chromosomes. This illustration is of a karyotype for a human. However, it is not exactly a normal karyotype 100%. Each karyotype illustrates two characteristics: the number of different unique chromosomes that an organism has, such as chromosome 1, 2, 3, 4, and the number of copies of that chromosome. Here we have 1, 2 copies. That's called ploidy. We'll get to that in another note card. The other thing that a karyotype will tell you is how many total chromosomes you have for that organism, and then how many chromosome pairs if it's a diploid organism. So for example, on this illustration, if I were to ask you how many chromosomes this individual has, you could go through and count them all up. You would add them up, find that there are 23 pairs plus one extra copy here of chromosome number 16. That would give you 46 plus 46 plus 1 chromosomes. So your answer would be that you have 47 for this individual. If I ask you how many chromosome pairs for a standard human karyotype, which would not have a third copy of chromosome 16, this individual has trisomy 16, which means they have those 3 copies. A normal individual, such as you would see illustrated here, would normally have 46 chromosomes, 23 pair. That's a difference between total and pair. Okay? So we have 23 pairs, and that would all be paired properly. You also have sex chromosomes versus somatic chromosomes. If I ask you just about chromosomes, it's all of them put together. If I ask you only about the somatic chromosomes, then you need to determine which are the sex chromosomes, which in this case is this one pair, an X and a Y. So this is a male for a human, okay, standard male. That's our sex chromosomes. Somatic chromosomes is everything else, so all 22 other pairs. How many pairs of somatic chromosomes? 22. How many pairs of chromosomes? 23. How many total somatic chromosomes? 44. How many total chromosomes? 46. Don't forget that we are dealing with the issue of standard or normal numbers of chromosomes versus when disjunction has occurred, resulting in aneuploidy, a greater than or lower than number of chromosomes for that individual. So this illustration does show an additional concept, aneuploidy, which is the result of disjunction, resulting in too many copies of chromosome 16.